Hey everyone, Derek here, and in this video we will be doing another install video. So this video will be talking about how you can get the program Microsoft Visual Studio Code working on Linux. So this app is available in a lot of different avenues. For the sake of just covering as many bases as possible, we're going to be doing the Flatpak version. So to start off, you're going to need to go to flathub.org, make sure you've got everything set up, and you can find information about that in my article below. Once you go there to the website though, when you've got everything ready, just type in Visual Studio, and you should be able to see in the search results Visual Studio Code. Now you can just click the install button if you want it to open up in KDE Discover or GNOME's software app, or you can scroll down and do what I usually do and just copy this command here, grab your terminal, and just do the install. Do attack Y just to auto accept a lot of different stuff, and let it download. It's going to download a couple of packages, including the FreeDesktop SDK and other things, but we will go ahead and let that download. Now that the main FreeDesktop SDK is done downloading, it's going to ask you to enter your password. You can go ahead and do that, and it should continue downloading. Of course, there are a lot of different dependencies and packages that it needs. Flatpaks work kind of like any other Linux program that you install from a package manager, so it needs various things. It'll go ahead and do all that, and I'll be right back once it's done. Okay, so Visual Studio Code is done installing. Now we can launch it, and that's all it is. It's really easy. Flatpak is really useful, and I should also say Visual Studio Code is also available in the Snap package software repository, so if you use Snaps you can get it that way as well, and they support many other Linux distributions like Debian, Fedora, and such. But I still highly recommend the Flatpak or Snap version, especially because it gets straight up updates. You don't have to worry if it supports your distribution. As long as you can run a Snap or a Flatpak, it's really easy to get going. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.